my name is Brett Smith. I work as a lecturer at UWA. I like teaching students how to solve problems using data. I finally finished the PhD. It took me forever because I was working full time. And then on the off chance I said, I'll just put this into this international award for all the PhDs in transport economics. And it turns out I won the worldwide prize for that. So I thought that was pretty cool. So somehow there's been a culture of don't attend lectures, do attend tutorials. And the reason behind that is because there was a demand that everything got recorded. That developed a pattern of behaviour where you don't attend lectures. So come COVID, we've actually began that process. It's not a huge amount of time of engagement. It might be 2 hours a week of just hearing from the students, where are they up to, what do they need extra, how did they understand the lecture notes, etc. So that old form of delivering lectures, I think, was dead before COVID, and now it's really dead. So this semester I've got about 30 students here on campus and 10 spread around the world. When you do the Zoom, you record it so you can put it back online for people to watch, even though they weren't part of that class. It's not a huge difference.